Elon Musk's Tesla headquarters has just opened and it looks amazing. It is a place that looks like the future and is officially open for business. The new headquarters have just opened officially this week in California, and it is a massive futuristic looking building. Musk hopes to build 500,000 electric cars a year by 2026, and this new facility will help him do that as it will be able to produce well over 100,000 cars a year. Hi there friends, and welcome back to your channel of new technologies. Before we begin today's show, you may want to turn on the notification bell and the subscribe button for more videos like this. Let's begin. Elon Musk, the CEO and founder of Tesla, has announced that it will be opening a new headquarters in Austin, Texas. Musk first mentioned the possibility of moving the company's headquarters during a meeting on energy policy back in 2017. Musk said he had been talking to Texas Governor Greg Abbott about moving Tesla's battery factory and its electric car factory to the state. It seems like these talks have paid off, at least partially, although it could still take as long as 4 years before Tesla moves all of its employees to the new office. It has already hired several executives and engineers there. In addition to those hires, Tesla has also bought some land in Austin to build a larger office for more employees. Many are asking why Tesla has taken this direction. This isn't the first time Tesla has picked up stakes and moved its headquarters, but this time it might stick around for longer than before. At one point in 2008, Tesla relocated to San Carlos to Palo Alto. However, within 2 years it was back in San Carlos again. The location is ideal for several reasons. Texas has a strong history of supporting technological innovation and entrepreneurship, while Austin has emerged as one of America's most vibrant tech hubs. This move will bring many high-tech jobs to Texas, including some that may have gone to California had we not made this decision. It's worth noting that Tesla will still maintain its battery factory in Nevada, as well as other operations throughout the country. Musk has said that he will try to persuade Tesla employees in California to move. Many of the company's engineers are based in Silicon Valley, with manufacturing in Fremont. Tesla will be able to sell vehicles directly to customers, something the company has been prevented from doing before. Also, it will be able to sell its zero-emissions vehicle credits in other states, which is not possible under California law. In the early days of the COVID-19 pandemic, Musk threatened to pull his company out of California because he was frustrated with the state's business regulations. This was due to the restrictive laws that prevented car manufacturers from restarting production sooner. Elon Musk has already relocated from California to the state of Texas last year as SpaceX continues to increase its presence, and some people predict that Tesla will soon follow. Since the announcement of Tesla moving to Texas, the city of Austin has seen significant increase in traffic. Residents and officials alike are concerned about the impact that the influx of thousands of new residents will have on housing, traffic, and public transportation. Now, what to expect? The situation is creating tension between homeowners who want to see low-income housing built in their neighborhoods and city officials who want to see higher-end housing to support local businesses. Tesla's employees are being housed near existing affordable housing, which will reduce the pressure on other parts of the city. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, was recently quoted as saying, "I do believe there is some amount of short-term pain for long-term gain," when referring to his business decisions. He added that it's hard for employees to afford houses, and he believes that Tesla will be more competitive in Austin. Musk didn't specify where Tesla's headquarters are going to be in Austin, but it sounds like it will be around this Gigafactory site at 13101 Harold Green Road in Austin, since the CEO again referenced the ecological paradise that they plan to build at the site. He has also claimed that the factory in Texas will produce power walls, power packs, and Tesla solar products. The facility will be one of the largest manufacturing plants in the US. It will employ over 1,500 full-time employees alone when it reaches peak production capacity. The factory should give more details about what we can expect from Tesla's products coming out of its Texas assembly line over the next few years. Its first product was already built in California, but it was designed and engineered in Austin, so this new plant will also play a big role in future products and projects. These projects include more production of lithium-ion batteries for its cars and energy storage products. It's going to be Tesla's biggest battery factory yet, with a planned capacity of 150 gigawatt-hour by the end of 2026. The company aims to ramp up production to meet the demand for its Model 3, but also its other vehicles like the Model S and Model X, as well as Powerwall 2 and Powerpack 2 home and grid energy storage systems. As the new Tesla headquarters and factory prepares to officially open for everyone to see, it appears that fans of the brave and charismatic billionaire have been keeping tabs all the while. An electric car enthusiast, Jeff Roberts, uploaded a video on YouTube showing the progress of the factory recorded from day one. The video shows a big clean room that will be used to manufacture the Model S electric car, as well as all the tools and machines that have already been installed. The first phase of the construction ended in January 2012. It included the development of two key areas, the body shop and the stamping facility. Both are now completed. In April 2012, Tesla started installing the tooling and equipment for the final assembly line and began constructing other areas of the facility, such as the paint shop and the general assembly line, which will be completed this summer. A real-time view of Tesla's Fremont factory can be seen in Robert's documentary too. More videos and predictions continue to roll in. Some show the progress of the construction and of course the finished building. The first thing you notice is that the roof is all glass, which will allow plenty of light to enter while providing stunning views of the surrounding natural landscape. The headquarters is a structure with multiple levels and spacious interiors. The first floor contains an assembly area for Tesla vehicles. There are also some offices on this level that are reserved for VIPs, as well as a large lounge with a kitchenette and tables. Toward the back of this level, there is an outdoor patio with a swimming pool and barbecue area. A little higher up there are more offices and conference rooms. On top of the building, there are two solar panels, which should provide enough energy for all electronics in the facility. Aesthetically, Tesla's new headquarters looks sleek. It has been designed by world-renowned architects Foster and Partners and seems to blend in perfectly with its surroundings. So what's next? Tesla originally called California-based facility Cybertruck Gigafactory because the automaker planned to build the Model Y there. Later, the company decided to make the Model Y in Nevada, rebranding the factory Gigafactory Texas. Tesla also changed its plans and decided to build the large lithium-ion battery factory in Nevada so that it could be close to its main headquarters. The Tesla Gigafactory Texas is a $5 billion lithium-ion battery manufacturing facility that will be built in the United States by the end of 2022. The electric car maker officially confirmed that it is looking to hire hundreds of workers for its future Texas-based battery plant. Tesla also recently posted an official job listing on its careers page, as reported by Teslarati. The electric car maker's career page states that it intends to recruit managers and supply chain officials with at least 10 years of experience in logistics and operations management for its upcoming Gigafactory. The company also requires supply chain candidates to have extensive knowledge about building materials and industrial equipment. According to Tesla's careers page, the company hopes to recruit candidates that have demonstrated leadership in managing large and complex supply chains for diverse industries. The automaker also wants potential supply chain managers to have experience managing and coordinating activities across multiple sites. In particular, Tesla wants an experienced supply chain manager to manage all facets of the materials flow. With that, we come to the end of today's video. Tell us what you think about Tesla's decision in the comment section. Do you think it's a good step in the right direction? Don't forget to hit the like and subscription button to get notified when a new video is out. Ciao!